Good morning, students. Now we learned about powers and exponents. Already we learned in class 7 that exponents are powerful way to express repeated multiplication number by itself in short form. That is called a powers. So that is called a powers and exponents. So already you know that the powers. What is an power? What is in power? 2 cube. So power is called 3. 2 is called a base. That is called the powers. So 3 power 4. 4 is a power. So power is a exponents. Power is a exponents. So 3 is called a base. 4 is a power. So what is an exponents? What is an exponent? So exponent means the number 4 written as a power is called an exponent. 4 is written as a power in called an exponent. The number 3 is called the base. The exponent tells how many times to use the base as a factor. How many times to use as the base as a factor. So 3 power 4. So 3 is called a base. 4 is called a exponents. So 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 in, sorry 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So 3 is multiplied by itself how many times? 4 times. That is called the exponents. Okay, all of you understand? Now we are going to learn laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. So already know that the exponents. So 5 cube. 5 is a base. 5 is a base. 3 is a exponents. 5 is a base. 3 is a exponents. So 5 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 are 25. 25 5 are 125. 5 cube is the exponential form of the number 125. 5 cube means 3 factor of 5. 5 cube means 3 factors of 5. 5 is multiplied by itself 3 times. That is called the 3 factor of 5. 3 factor of 5. Laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Exponential form. The exponents of a power indicates how many times the base multiply itself. How many times of the base multiply by itself. That is called the x power n. X power n. N is a factor of x. N is a factor of x. That is called the n times of x. N times of x. That is called the n times of x. So n times of x means it is infinitely. It is a finite times. Sorry, it is a finite times. N times means that is called a finite times. X into x into x into up to x into x into x. That is called the n times. So already you know that the natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3 up to n times. That is called the n means number of times. Number of times. So x power n. N factor of x. N factor of x. Example 5 cube. Example 5 cube. 5 cube means 3 factor of 5. 5 cube means 3 factor of 5. 5 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Next one, multiplying powers. Multiplying powers. If you are multiplying powers with the same base, keep the base and add the exponents. Keep the base and add the exponents. Multiplying power means base is the same, powers are different. So base is the same and powers are different. The reason power is added. Power is added. Power is added. So I get it. When you multiply powers, you add the exponents. So that is called the base is same. Base is same. Powers are different. Powers are different. So common base is a take common base number or variables. So take a common base powers are added. Powers are added. That is called the x power m into x power n. So base is the same. So take common x. So powers to be added. So m plus n. M plus n. X power m into x power n equal to x power m plus n. For example, 2 power 6 into 2 power 3. So base is the same. So take common 2. Take common 2. So powers are different. So powers are different means powers are different. So powers are added. Powers added. So 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. So 2 power 9. 2 power 9 means 2 into 2 into 2 into. So how many times in 9? So how many times into 9 times. So 9 times 9. 2 power 9 value 512. 2 power 9 value 512. So multiplying powers, first law of exponents, x power m into x power n equal to x power m plus n. Any other variable put it up. So a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. Next one, dividing powers. Dividing powers. When dividing powers with the same base, dividing powers with the same base, keep the base and subtract the exponents. So keep the base and subtract the exponents. So dividing powers, base is the same base, keep the base, common base, take common base and subtract the exponents. Exponents means powers. X power m minus n. X power m minus n. For example, 2 power 6 by 2 power 2. So same base, take common base, keep the base and subtract the exponents. So exponents means powers. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. So multiply means added and divided means subtracted. Multiply means added and divided means subtracted. 2 power 6 minus 2 equal to 2 power 4. So 4 is an exponential 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So we get a value 2 power 6 divided by 2 power 2. We get a value 16. So dividing powers, x power m divided by x power n equal to x power m minus n. So try these. Write down these sums. Write down these sums in classwork note. Okay, 3 square into 3 square. So 3 into 3 square into 3 square. So same base and powers are added. So multiply means added, divided means subtracted. So first you noted the multiplication or division. So first one is a multiplication. So multiplication means powers are added. So 3 power 2 plus 2. 3 power 4. 5 power 2 into 5 power 4. So take common base. 5 power 2 plus 4. 5 power 6. A power 5 into a power 2. So take common base. A power 5 plus 2. A power 7. 2a square into 4s power 7. So first one, so multiplication. Multiplication means added. So 2 4s are 8. 8 s power 2 plus 7. So 8 s power 9. So next one is a multiplication. Multiplication means added. So take a common base minus 3. So minus the minus plus. Don't put the symbol. Okay. Minus 3 the whole power 2 plus 3. So minus 3 power 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus 3 5 minus 3 2 plus 3 5. So take common base minus 3 power 2 plus 3 5 minus 3 power 5. So next one is a multiplication. I already know that. Next one is a s power 12. So division. Division means subtracted. Division means subtracted. X power 12 by s power 4. S power 12 minus 4. S power 8. 3 power 9 by 3 power 5. 3 power 9 minus 5. 3 power 4. S power 12 t power 8 divided by s power 4 t power 4. So divided means subtracted. So take a common base s. First we take the s. Second take the t. S power 12 minus 4. T power 8 minus 4. S power 12 minus 4 value 12 minus 4 8. S power 8. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 Very good. 4. T power 4. So S power 8, T power 4. So next one 36 A power 5, B power 8 divided by 4 A power 4, B power 5. So cancel 36 divided by 4. 9 4s are 36. So 9 A power 5 minus A power 5 minus 4, B power 8 minus 5, B power 8 minus 5. So A B power 3, A B power 3, 9 A B power 3. Write down these sums in classwork note. Okay, try this. Next one, 3 square into 3 square. So powers of a powers. If you are raising your power to an exponents, you multiply the exponents. Okay, x power m, the whole power n. So bracket means multiplication. First multiplications are added, divisions are subtracted. So next one is a bracket means multiplication. Powers to be multiplied. Powers to be multiplied. X power m, the whole power n. X power m into n. For example, x power 3, the whole power 5. X power 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. X power 15. X power 3, the whole power 5. X power 3 into 5. X power 15. If you are raising a power to an exponent, you multiply the exponents. Next, product law of exponents. If the product of the base is powered by the same exponent, then the result is a multiplication of individual factors of the product, each powered by the given exponents. So if the product of the base is powered by the same exponents, so variables are different. Powers is a common, so separate the exponents. So x power n, y power n. X by the whole power n is equal to x power n into y power n. For example, a be the whole square, a square, b square. If the product of the base is powered by the same exponents, then the result is a multiplication of the individual factors of the product, each powered by the given exponents. Next one, quotient law of exponents. If the quotient of the base is powered by the same exponents, so powers are same exponents, so different variables, so exponents are same. So division means subtracted. So 2 power n by 3 power 4. So 2 into 2, so x by y, the whole power n is equal to x power n by y power n. For example, 2 by 3, the whole power 4. So 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. 2 power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So we get an answer 16 by 81. Next one. So try these sums. So write down the class or note. Okay. 3 square the whole power 5. So 3 square the whole power 5. So say base and powers are multiplied. So powers are multiplied. So a power m the whole power n. A power m into n. So 3 power 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 power 10. A power 3 the whole power 4. A power 3 into 4. A power 3 into 4. A 3 4s are 12. A power 12. 2a square the whole cube. 2a square the whole cube. So 2 cube a square into 3. A power 2 into 3. 2 cube 8. A power 6. 8 a power 6. 2a square a power 5 b power 3 the whole square. 2 square into 2 a power 5 into 2 b power 3 into 2. 2 power 2 2s are 4, a power 5 2s are 10, b power 3 2s are 6. We get a value 2 power 4 16, a power 10, b power 6. Minus 3 a square the whole square. Minus 3 the whole square. into a power 2 into 2. So minus into minus plus 3 square 9 a power 4 9 a power 4 a square t power 4 the whole power 3 a square x square into 3 3 power 4 into 3 s power 2 3s are 6 4 3s are 12 s power 6 t power 12. So already know that the sum. So try this sum. Next one, negative law of exponents. So negative law of exponents convert to the positive law of exponents. So if the base is powered by the negative exponents, then the base becomes reciprocal with the positive exponents. So then the base becomes a reciprocal with the positive exponents. Power, if the base is powered by the negative exponents, powers is negative exponents, then the base becomes a reciprocal. So now we convert the reciprocal. So a is a reciprocal of 1 by a power minus 1 is a reciprocal of 1 by a. That is called the, then the base becomes reciprocal with the positive exponents. X power minus m equal to 1 by x power m, 1 by x power m. So negative power is a negative exponents, we convert the reciprocal, we convert the reciprocal. For example 5 power minus 3, so convert the reciprocal 1 by 5 cube. So negative, remove negative, so convert to the positive, convert to the positive, so form a reciprocal. Are you understand? 5 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 5 cube. 1 by 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125. 1 by 3 power minus 2. So 1 by 3 power minus 2 means form a reciprocal, convert the reciprocal. 3 square. So negative exponents convert to the positive exponents. There is a negative law of exponents. 3 square we get a value 9. Zero law of exponents. So zero law of exponents means x power is equal to 1. So x power 0 equal to 1. Any base powered by 0, exponents equal 1. Base value 0. Sorry. Any base power value 0, we get the answer is 1. For example, 5 power 0 equal to 1. 1500 power 0 is equal to 1. A power 0 is equal to 1. So 0 power 0 equal to undefined. That is undefined. Okay. So 0 factors of a base equals 1. That makes the sense every power has a coefficient of 1. So 2 is, so try these sums. Write down in class or note. 2a square b the whole power 0 value 1. Y power 2 into y power minus 4. So convert the reciprocal. Y power minus 4 convert to reciprocal 1 by y square. 1 by y square. 1 y square into 1 by y power 1 by y power 4. 1 by y power 4. So cancelled 2. So y power, sorry, so multiplication means added. So negative minus 4 is a negative. 2 minus 4, y power 2 minus 4. So subtract and put the greatest number symbol. 4 minus 2, 2. So greater number symbol is a minus 2. So y power minus 2, we get a value 1 by y square. A power 5 the whole power minus 1 equal to a power minus 5. So a power minus 5. So negative exponents convert to the positive exponents. So to convert the form of a reciprocal, 1 by a power 5. So remaining sums, you write it. 3x power minus 2, y power 3 the whole power minus 4. So first we multiplied the brackets. So minus 2 in 3 power minus 4, x power minus 2 into minus 4, minus 2 into minus 4, y power 3 into minus 4. So 3 power minus 4, 1 by 3 power 4, x power 8, 2 3s are, sorry, 2 4s are 8, x power 8, y power minus 12, x power 8 by 81, y power 12. So power values are 0, we get a value is 1. Next one, simplify and express the result in powers notation with the positive exponents. Minus 4 the whole power 5 divided by minus 4 the whole power 8. So division means base is same. So divided means subtracted. So loss of exponents a power m divided by a power n, we get a value a power m minus n, a power m minus n, minus 4 the whole power 5 divided by minus 4 the whole power 8, minus 4, so subtract 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8 means, so subtract powers subtracted means 5 minus 8, so 8 minus 5, add and subtract and put the greatest number symbol, 8 minus 5 3, so greatest number symbol is minus, so minus 3, minus 4 the whole power minus 3. Already know that the negative law of exponents convert to the positive exponents, so 1 by minus 4 the whole power 3, 1 by minus 4 the whole power 3, 1 by 2 cube whole square, 1 by 2 cube whole square, so 1 square by 1 by 2 the whole power cube, 1 by 2 the whole power cube, 1 cube equal to 1, so 1 by 2 cube equal to 1 by 2 the whole power, okay sorry, 1 by 2 cube the whole square, so 1 is equal to 1 cube, 1 by 2 cube is equal to 1 cube by 2 cube, 1 by 2 the whole cube the whole square, okay, 1 by 2, 3 2s are 6, so 3 2s are 6, 1 by 2 power 6, 1 power 6 by 2 power 6, so 1 is multiplied by 6 times, we get a value is 1, so 1 divided by 2 power 6, 3 power minus 4 divided by 3 power minus 10 into 3 power minus 5. So first one is a division. Division means subtract. So what is the law of exponents? A power m divided by a power n, a power m minus n. So second law of exponents is multiplication. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10. Subtracted 3 power minus 7 minus bracket minus 10. So minus minus plus sum. So 10 minus 7, 3 power 3. So 3 power 3 into 3 power minus 5. 3 power 3 into 3 power minus 5. So int means added. So powers are added. Powers added. So 3 power 3 plus minus 5. So subtract and put the greatest number simple, 3 power minus 2. So 3 power minus 2 means negative law of exponents convert to the positive law of exponents. 1 by 3 square. 2 power minus 3. 2 power minus 3 into minus 7 the whole power minus 3. A power m into b power n, b the whole power m. 2 power minus 3 into minus 7 the whole power minus 3. So 2 into minus 7 the whole power 3. 2 7s are 14. So plus into minus 14 the whole power minus 3. So 1 by minus 14 the whole power 3. 1 by 2 the whole power minus 2, 1 by 2 the whole power minus 2, 1 by 4 the whole power minus 2. So negative law of exponents convert to the positive law of exponents. So don't worry that. So 1 by 2 power minus 2, 2 square. 1 by 3 the whole power minus 2, negative convert to positive, 3 square. 1 by 4 the whole power minus 2, minus convert to positive. So form a reciprocal, convert to the reciprocal, 4 square. 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So added 4 plus 9 plus 16 equal to 29. Are you understand? Are you clear? Okay, once again repeated. 1 by 2 the whole power minus 2. So convert to the reciprocal. So negative law of exponents convert to the reciprocal. 1 by 2 the whole power minus 2. 1 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2 square. Plus 1 by 3 the reciprocal of 3 square. 1 by 4 the reciprocal of 4 square. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So 4 plus 9 plus 16. So add the value 29. 3 power minus 1 into 4 power minus 1 into 5 power minus 1 whole power 0. So power 0 value is a 1. Value is a 1. So any numbers or variable powers value 0. So we get an answer is 1. Don't do that. Okay, so don't do that, just like okay. Next one is minus to the whole, minus 2 by 3 the whole power minus 2 whole power 2. So minus 2 into 2 minus 4, 2 2s are 4 minus 4, a power m the whole power n, a power mn, a power mn, minus 2 by 3 the whole power minus 2 whole power whole square. So minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 2 by 3 the whole power minus 4, minus 2 the whole power 4 divided by 3 the whole power minus 4, 2 power minus 4. So 3, so negative negative 3 power minus 4 convert to the negative. So to form a reciprocal 3 power 4, so divided by 2 power minus to the whole power 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So negative is a even, so take a positive. So even negative number, even negative integer, take a positive negative symbol, sorry, negative even negative symbol, we get a positive integer. Okay, so 2 power minus to the whole power minus 4 divided by minus to the whole power minus 4. So base is a negative law of, sorry, powers is a negative law of exponents, convert to the reciprocal 3 power 4 divided by minus 2 power 4. Evaluate 8 power minus 1 into 5 power 3 divided by 2 power minus 4. 2 power minus 4. So first one is a 8 power minus 1 into 5 power 3 divided by 2 power minus 4. 8 power minus 1 convert into 1 by 8. 5 power 3 is just like that. 2 power minus 4 convert into form a reciprocal 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 4. So 1 by 2 power minus 4 converted to the positive 2 power 4 into 125. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 3 2s are cancelling 8. So 8. So remaining 1 2 is given. So 2 into 125, 250. We get the value is 250. So another one sums 5 power minus 1, 2 power minus 1. So convert into reciprocal. 5 into 2 the whole power minus 1 into 6 power minus 1. So 5 2s are 10 power minus 1 into 6 power minus 1. So take a whole bracket power minus 1. So 10 6 are 60 power minus 1. So form a reciprocal 1 by 60. So it is a invisible number. So invisible number means we can't see the number. That is like a 1. Powers value is 1. Find the value of m for which 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3 equal to 5 power 5. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3, 5 power m minus 3. So minus plus 5 power m plus 3. 5 power m plus 3 equal to 5 power 5. So powers take a power m plus 3 equal to base 5s are equal, therefore exponents are also equal. So 5 m plus 3 equal to 5 plus 3 goes to the transpose. So minus 3, m equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2, m equal to 2. The required value of m is 2. Evaluate 1 by 3 the whole power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 whole power minus 1. So a power minus 1 equal to 1 by a. 1 by 3 the whole power minus 1, 3 power 1 minus 4 power 1 the whole power minus 1 whole power minus 1. Okay, 3 minus listen, 3 minus 4 the whole power minus 1. So 3 minus 4 we get a value minus 1 the whole power minus 1. So form a reciprocal 1 by minus 1 equal to, we get a value is minus 1. 5 by 8 the whole power minus 7 into 8 by 5 the whole power minus 4. So a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. 1 by a power m. So minus 7 negative law of exponents convert to the positive. So 8 by 5 the whole power minus 4 equal to 5 by 8 the whole power 4. 5 by 8 the whole power minus 7 convert into 8 by 5. Okay, so 5 by 8 into 5 by 8 the whole power minus 4 into 5 by 8 the whole power 4. So base is the same, powers are subtracted. Powers subtracted. So minus 7 plus 4. So subtract and greatest number symbol. 5 by 8 the whole power minus 7 plus 4 we get a value minus 3. Minus 3. So powers value is minus 3. So 5 by 8 the whole power minus 3. So negative convert into positive exponents. So 8 by 5. 5 by 8 convert into 8 by 5. Form a reciprocal. So negative exponents minus 3. 5 by 8 the whole power minus 3. Convert into reciprocal. 8 by 5 the whole cube. 8 into 8 into 8 by 5 into 5 into 5. So 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are 512. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. We get a value 512 divided by 125. Simplify 25 into 1 power minus 4. 5 power minus 3 into 10 into 3 power minus 0. So do the sum. Next one, 3 power minus 5. 3 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 125. 5 power minus 3 into 6 power minus 5. So 125. So take a prime factorization number. So same base, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 cube. 125, 5 cube is 125. 10 power minus 5, 2 5s are 10 the whole power minus 5. So 2 3s are 6 the whole power minus 5. So next one is 3 power minus 5 into 2 into 5 the whole power minus 5 into 5 cube. 5 divided by 5 power minus 7 into 2 into 3 into minus 5. So next one is 3 power minus 5 into 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5 into 5 cube. Divided by 5 power minus 7 into 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. So the same powers are separated. So 3 power minus 5 divided by 3 power minus 5 cancel like a 0. So 3 power minus 5 plus 5. 2 power minus 5 plus 5. So minus and minus plus. So minus 5 plus 5. 5 power minus 5 plus 10 plus 5. 5 power minus 5. Listen, 5 power minus 5 into 5 power 3 divided by 5 power minus 4. So 5 power minus 3 plus 3 2. So 5 power minus 7. So 2 minus 2 minus 7 9. So 5 power minus 5 plus 5. 5 power 5 power 5. So minus 2 plus 7. 5 power minus 2 plus 7. So we get a value 5 power 5. 5 power 5. So 3 power 0 into 2 power 0 into 5 power 5. 5 power 5. So 3 power 0 1. 2 power 0 1. So 5 power 5. The answer is a 5 power 5. Next one, scientific notations 0.00000085. So how many zeros? So count the number. So 30 numbers. So 85 divided by 10 power 13. So convert into the scientific notation 8.5 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 13. So same method 8.5 into 10 power minus 2. So next one is how many digits are there? So 14 digits are there. 942 divided by 10 power 14. So 9.4 into 10 power 2. So decimal, take a decimal notation 10 square. So 9.42 into 10 square divided by 10 power 14. 10 power square into 10 power minus 40. So 10 power minus 12. 9.4 into 10 power minus 12. 0.0008. So same method, 837 divided by 10 power 11. So the scientific notation means only one number remain numbers are decimal. 8.37 into 10 square divided by 10 power 11. 8.37 into 10 square into 10 power minus 11. 8.37 into 2 plus minus 11 minus 9. 8.37 into 10 to the power of minus 9. 1 by 10 lakhs. So 1 by 10 power 6. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So 1 micron. 16 by 10 to the power of 1.6 into 10 divided by 10 to the power of 20. 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Charge electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Same method like that. 3 power 0 plus 4 power minus 1 into 2 square. 1 plus 1 by 4 into 2 square. So 4 plus 1 by 4. So 1 plus 1 by 4. So 1 plus 1 by 4. So take a LCM 1 by 4. 4 by 4 plus 1. So taken 4 plus 1 by 4 into 2 square. 5 by 4 into 2 square. So cancellation at 5 by 2 square into 2 square. 2 square cancel. So answer is a 5. A power minus 3 into 5 cube divided by 2 power minus 4. A power minus 3 into 5 cube divided by 2 power minus 4. So 2 power 3 the whole power minus 3 into 5 cube divided by 2 minus 4. 2 power minus 3 into 5 power cube divided by 2 power minus 4. So 2 power minus 3 minus 4 into 5 power 3 minus into minus plus 2 power minus 3 plus 4 into 5 cube. So 2 into 125 we get a value 250. Just like a same method. Minus 3 the whole power 4 into 5 by 3 the whole power 4. So minus 3 the whole power 4, 5 by 3 the whole power 4, minus 3 the whole power 4, 5 by 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 4. So cancel minus 5 power 4 minus 5 power 4. So same like same method. So 5 power 4, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 625 into 5. So A power 0 value 1. 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10 into 3 power minus 5. So 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10 into 3 power minus 5. So 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10. So 3 power plus 3 power minus 7 plus 10. 3 power minus into minus plus. So 3 power minus 7 plus 10. 3 cube. 3 cube into 3 power minus 5. So same base 3 power 3 plus 5. 3 power plus into minus 5. So my 3 power minus 3 power 3 minus 5. 3 power minus 2. So form a converter reciprocal 1 by 3 square. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Find the value of m which 5 power m divided by 5 power 3 equal to 5 power 5. So 5 power 3 divided by 5 power minus 3. So 5 power division means subtracted. So 5 power m minus bracket minus 3 minus into minus plus 5 power m plus 3 equal to 5 power 5. So comparing the base, comparing the exponents of both sides, m plus 3 is equal to 5. So plus 3 transpose to minus 3, m equal to 5 minus 3, m equal to 2. We get a value m equal to 2. Thank you. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.